Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learning and Programming with Chetan. Today in this particular video, we are going to discuss about super keyword in Java programming language. So let us start with our first topic. What is super keyword? So super keyword is a reference variable in Java programming language that is used to refer to the immediate parent class object. By using super keyword, we can directly refer to the members of our parent class. Now let us discuss about the uses of super keyword. So super keyword can be used to refer to the instance variables of our immediate parent class, and super keyword can be used to invoke the methods of our immediate parent class. Also, by using super keyword, we can invoke the constructors of our immediate parent class. Now my dear friends, by the help of program, we will try to understand the uses of super keyword for accessing different members of our parent class. So let us first try to understand the use of super keyword for referring the instance variables of immediate parent class. So this is my parent class, and inside my parent class I have created an instance variable with a name relation, and it is of type string. Also I have created a default constructor and parameterized constructor of my parent class, and inside my constructor I am assigning the value of my instance variable by using this keyword, and this keyword is used to refer to the current instance of our class. Similarly, in my parameterized constructor I am assigning the value to my instance variable, and here I am simply printing the statement. And here I have created one method with the name print relation, and inside this I am printing the value of my instance variable by using this keyword. And my dear friends, I have created one more class with the name child, and it is extending our parent class. Now inside my child class I have created an instance variable with the name relation, and here you can notice that we have already defined the property with the same name in our parent class. Now inside my child class I have created default constructor and parameterized constructor, and inside my default constructor I am assigning the value to my instance variable by using this keyword, and here in my parameterized constructor by using this keyword I am calling the default constructor of my current class. Now here you can see that we have defined a method in our parent class with the name print relation, and same method I am overriding in my child class. This is my overriding method with the name print relation, and here I am printing the instance variable of my child class by using this keyword. So our first use of super keyword is to refer the instance variable of our immediate parent class. So in this statement you can see that I am using the super keyword for referring the instance variable of my immediate parent class. So this is one of the application of super keyword in Java programming language, and here I have created one more method with the name print parent relation. Now my dear friends, for testing our program I have created one class with the name super keyword tutorial, and inside my class I have created a main method. Now in this statement I am creating an object of my child class. So let us try to understand the flow of our program. So when we will create an object of our child class, then at runtime it will call the default constructor of our child class, and inside default constructor of a child class it will internally call the default constructor of our parent class. So when we will compile our program, then at compile time compiler will use this super statement to call the default constructor of our parent class, and after calling the default constructor of our parent class it will execute this statement, and then our flow will come here, and here by using the reference of our child class it will call the print relation method of child class. Now before running our program, let me comment this statement to explain you that even if we are not providing this statement, then compiler will internally provide this super statement to call the default constructor of parent class. Now let us run our program. So my dear friends, at runtime it will call the default constructor of a child class, and then it will call the default constructor of our parent class, and here it will assign the value of instance variable, and it will print this statement. So here you can see that we are first getting this statement from our parent class constructor, then flow is moving to child class constructor. It is assigning the value of instance variable of current child instance, and then it is printing this statement. So in console you can see that we are getting this statement, and then it will call the print relation method. So inside this you can see that by using this keyword we are referring to the instance variable of our current object, that is why we are getting this value as daughter, which we have assigned in default constructor of our child class. And here by using the super keyword, I am referring to the instance variable of our parent class. So here in our parent class constructor, we have assigned its value as father. That's why we are getting this value as father in our console. Now let us try to understand the use of super keyword to invoke the methods of our immediate parent class. So my dear friends, in our child class, we have overridden print relation method of our parent class, and here by using our child class reference, we are calling our overriding method. Suppose we have to invoke the method of our parent class. So by using super keyword, we can invoke the method of our parent class. So here inside my child class, I have created one method with the name print parent relation, and here you can see that by using super keyword, I am calling the method of my parent class. So at runtime, it will call the method of our parent class. Let me uncomment these two statements. So here by using child class reference, I am calling this print parent relation method which is present inside our child class, and inside this method I am calling the method of my parent class by using super keyword. Let us run our program. So these are the statements which we are getting from this statement which we have already discussed. Now here you can see that in our console we are getting this statement, and then by using child class reference it is calling the print parent relation method, and here by using super keyword we are calling the method of our parent class, and inside print relation method of our parent class we are printing this statement. That is why we are getting this statement in our console. So by using super keyword we can call the overridden method of our parent class. Now my dear friends, let us try to understand the use of super keyword for invoking the constructor of our immediate parent class. As we have already discussed that when we are creating an object of our child class, then at runtime JVM will internally call the default constructor of our parent class. Let me uncomment this statement. So here we are calling the parameterized constructor of our parent class by using super keyword. Also there is one important rule that when we have to call the constructor of our parent class by using super keyword, then in that case the super statement should be the first statement inside constructor of our child class. So let us try to move this statement. So here you can see that I am getting compile time error, and it is saying that constructor call must be the first statement in a constructor. Now let us run our program. So here you can see that it is calling the default constructor of a child class, and inside default constructor by using the super keyword we are calling the parameterized constructor of our parent class. So our flow will come here and it is assigning the value to our instance variable, and here you can see that it is printing this statement in console, and this is the value which we have passed to our parameterized constructor. So my dear friends, hope that you are able to understand that how we have used super keyword to refer to the instance variable of our parent class, and how we have used super keyword to access the methods of our parent class, and also we have discussed that how we can call the constructor of our parent class by using super keyword. Also let me uncomment this statement. Now my dear friends, let us discuss one of the important question, and that is what is the difference between this keyword and super keyword in Java programming language. So this keyword can be used to access the current instance of our class, whereas super keyword can be used to access the current instance of our parent class. So here we have seen that by using this keyword we are directly referring the current instance of our class, whereas by using super keyword we are accessing the current instance of our parent class. Now let us discuss the second difference, that is this keyword is used to call the constructor of the current class, whereas super keyword is used to call the constructor of our parent class. So here you can see that by using this keyword I am directly accessing default constructor of my current class, and here in these two statements you can see that by using super keyword we can access the constructor of our parent class. Now our next difference is that by using this keyword we can directly directly access the methods of our current class, whereas by using super keyword we can access the method of our base class or parent class. So here you can see that by using this keyword I am directly invoking the method of my current class instance, and in this statement by using super keyword I am directly accessing the method of my parent class. So my dear friends, I hope that you are able to understand the difference between this keyword and super keyword in Java programming language. And if you like the content of this video, then do like, comment and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for latest updates.